Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming voicemail is active with your carrier and that you know the voicemail number. This avoids surprise prompts. Next, set a secure PIN and record a clear 20-30 second greeting so callers know who reached. Once done, open your phone app or dial the voicemail number directly to enter the system. Follow prompts to log in. This gets you into the inbox immediately so you can hear new content without additional setup. You play messages and use the rewind, pause, skip, or speed controls to capture details efficiently. Faster playback saves time when triaging. Make sure to save important messages by exporting or forwarding to email or cloud storage so they aren't lost, and label or move them to an archive folder. Once you've reviewed messages, delete the irrelevant ones and mark the rest as read. This maintains inbox order and prevents storage from filling up unexpectedly. You finish by enabling visual voicemail and push alerts so new messages arrive as notifications, which speeds responses. Make it a habit to purge deleted messages and monitor your storage or quota to avoid missed mails. If messages stop appearing, first reset the network or reboot the phone, then confirm the voicemail number and PIN. If problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves delivery issues and gets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.